Hello, my name is Sebastian Mandel, and this is Channel 8 Time Travelers News. We will be focusing on ancient Greek mathematics and science. Our time traveler Ross is with Euclid right now. Ross?
Hi, I'm Time Traveler Ross. First name Time Travel, last name Ross. I'm here with my good friend Euclid from ancient Greece. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you for having me on the show. It's such an honor.
Oh yeah, honored to have you. You know, Euclid, you made a lot of very great contributions to mathematics. What were some of those contributions?
I wrote the 13 books of elements, and which says has all my knowledge of geometry and math, and it's translated into many languages across the world: Arabic, English, Latin. Before your time,
Of course.
and geometry was my main area of focus in math, and now I understand that it's taught to 10th graders here in your society.
Oh yeah, even some smarter ninth graders. But I want to elaborate some of the more specific things you've contributed to.
Sure, Ross. I've contributed, or I started the Pythagorean theorem.
It's pronounced theorem.
Oh, thank you. I've been dead for so long. My knowledge just went out my skull.
Makes perfect sense.
And also taught how to scale area and volume. And
Let me stop you there. Could you I know Pythagorean theorem is really big these days,
Yeah.
in geometry. Kids use it.
Yeah.
Will you elaborate on what exactly the Pythagorean theorem is?
Sure, it states that any right triangle, the area of the square whose side is the hypotenuse, the side of the opposite of the right angle, is equal to the sum of the area of the squares whose sides are the two legs, the two sides that meet at a right angle. Of
course.
That's Pythagorean theorem.
Well, this has been really great.
It has been. Thank you.
I've
for
got a
having
lot
me.
of knowledge on you and
I
your
hope.
time period.
I hope
so,
the public.
Let's get one selfie here, okay? I gotta tweet that.
What's tweeting?
It's to be honest, I don't think I understand.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Ross, for that interesting interview with Euclid. He's now trying to get Aristotle to answer questions. To you, Ross.
I'm trying to get an interview with Aristotle. Here's Aristotle, moment of your time.
So Zeus said.
Aristotle.
Yes?
Can I get a quick interview?
No, I'm talking to my
I don't
friend.
take no for an answer. Put the phone down.
No.
Put the phone down.
No.
In the name of science.
No. I'll call you back.
Okay, Aristotle, that is your real name. You're gonna answer a few of my questions.
Where in Zeus am I?
Let's get on to your works. You gonna answer all my questions, okay?
What?
Say okay.
Okay.
What contributions did you make to Greek society?
My main works.
Ancient Greek society.
My main works were rules of logic, physics, poetics, animal history, and metaphysics. So to answer your question, and if you want to know more, I taught the great man that you know of, Alexander the Great. He was my student.
I
So
don't believe you.
he was of Macedonia. He's a great boy.
All right.
Always studying. He went to conquer all.
That'll be it. You talk too much. On second thought, what was the importance of some of your research and ideas?
You take a lot of what I researched and found and still incorporate it into your everyday life. Even though you are more advanced than my time, my contributions to your society is still relevant and you still use it. And if you didn't have it, you wouldn't be smart as you were, like me. I'm done.
Hey, this interview isn't over.
I don't care.
Very nice ambush, Ross, but I'm pretty sure that is considered cruel and unusual punishment. I hear you're now with Archimedes. To you, Ross.
Hi, Archimedes. My name's
Hi.
Ross.
Hi,
Time
Ross.
Traveler Ross.
Hi, Time
Whatever
Traveler
suits your
Ross.
fancy. So, would you like to tell us about some of the things that have changed the world?
Well, you see, I have so many, but I'll try to get to all of them. One of which is my favorite that still keeps people guessing is my finding of pi.
And why is that your favorite?
Because still, no one has yet figured it out. And it's one of my only inventions that also still keeps me guessing.
That's pretty cool. What are some other famous works that you have?
Another one of my famous works is called the water snail. It is like a screw-like device to raise water to irrigate crops in the city.
That's pretty cool. I think we have time for one or two more things. So would you just elaborate on some of your favorites?
I will tell you a short story of how I founded Archimedes Principle.
All right.
I made the discovery that led to this law while I was at the public bath. Noticing that water overflowed when I had stepped into the bath, I concluded that a body immersed in water must displace a volume of water equal to the volume of the body. I was so excited over my idea that I ran into the street and screamed, "Eureka!"
That's very interesting and very cool. Is there anything last-minute things you want to tell the audience?
Other things I invented are the catapult, which I think was the backbone of the cannon, model planetarium, in which are still used today, but these are a little more high-tech than mine, and burning mirrors.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.